Welcome. This training teaches you to run a world-class business strategy alignment day. You'll learn the sequence, tool purposes, and how to convert a big vision into a 12-month, 90-day, and weekly action plan the owner believes in. You will also learn to prioritize mastery, preventing growth from reintroducing chaos. Alignment Day exists for 3 reasons. First, to align identity and culture with business direction, creating pull, not just push. Second, to build one picture of growth with the vision orbit, ensuring all goals flow from a single source of truth. Third, to turn that picture into a simple operating rhythm within the COM platform, maintaining momentum. COM is the coaching operating platform where 5-year, 3-year, and 1-year goals, along with a 90-day plan and weekly KPIs, reside. 10 things and I am statements unlock personal motivation. Vision Orbit shows growth math across revenue, customers, leads, team, and product lines. The 6 steps scorecard reveals mastery constraints. 9 ways prompts focus step 2 and 3 without duplicating Orbit data. A quick swap pulse adds context before choosing quarterly levers. The 12 to 18-month banner creates a visible roadmap and capacity check using sticky notes. The COM platform stores 5-year, 3-year, and 1-year goals plus the 90-day plan, turning direction into daily execution. Set up the room and files before the client arrives. Open the Alignment Business Strategy Session folder and have the Vision Orbit worksheet ready. Prepare 10 things, I am statements, vision, mission, culture page, scorecard summary, 9 ways notes, and a simple SWOT sheet. Open the 1-year outcomes, 90-day plan, weekly action plan, and post alignment checklist templates. Create a subfolder for whiteboard photos with the naming rule, client name underscore 1A underscore 01 02 03. Label the whiteboard with revenue, customers, leads, team, lines, locations, and finish date. Print the 12 to 18-month banner, recommended 36 by 24 inches. Place 3 by 3 sticky notes nearby with a color legend. Personal, time, team, money, delivery, marketing, systems. Welcome the client and state the promise. Today, you'll lead with a clear vision orbit, cascaded into a 90-day and weekly action plan. We'll choose a 7-day micro-deliverable to prove the plan. We prioritize clarity over completeness. Rabbit holes will be parked. Ask, what would make today a 10 out of 10? Write their answer on the board. Set ground rules. Clarity first, one decision maker, and a parking lot. Explain that misaligned identity and values stall execution. Run 10 things quickly without editing. Move to be times do equals half. Ask who they need to be and what they will do consistently to achieve desired results. Capture 3 I am statements for the first year. Review vision, mission, and culture. Confirm alignment or create a baseline. Set the finish date for a profitable enterprise that works without the owner. Save these artifacts to the session folder. The orbit is the business model on one page, answering how big by when, with which customers, how many leads, and what team. Start with last year's revenue. Set year 5 revenue and profit. Cascade year 4 to year 1, checking for a realistic curve. Split by product or service lines only if there are multiple material lines or a new line will launch within 5 years. Use shared definitions from the 5 ways for consistent language: leads, conversion rate, number of transactions, average dollar sale, and profit margin. Calculate customers as revenue divided by average sale. Calculate qualified leads as customers divided by conversion rate. Map the team in a simple organization view. Capture current and year 5 headcount. Identify key seats by year 1 and new locations. Note future revenue streams and timing. Keep momentum. If numbers stall, say, let us choose a good first pass and refine later. Write the non-negotiables on the board. Last year's revenue, year 5 revenue, current and year 5 customers, required qualified leads for year 1 and current and year 5 headcount. Photograph and save the orbit immediately. Protect growth by fixing mastery first. Do a quick swap pulse for big realities. Use the 6-step scorecard to find the 2 weakest boxes across destination, time, delivery, and financial. Add a 3 to 5 minute money mastery check. Gross margin, break even, and cash runway. Do not turn up leads if delivery or margin are weak. Use 9-ways prompts only to deepen step 2 and 3, avoiding orbit data duplication. Choose 2 priority levers for the next quarter, defaulting to leads and conversion unless the scorecard shows a harder mastery constraint. Capture constraints and levers on one page. Pull 3 to 5-year 1 outcomes that ladder to orbit numbers and address mastery gaps. Build the 90-day plan with a small set of goals. Each goal needs an owner, due date, and success metric. Align the plan to the next Growth Club date. If fewer than 13 weeks remain, shrink scope. Translate projects into weekly motion. Create the weekly action plan for the quarter with one clear, small, and specific action objective each week. Choose a 7-day micro-deliverable to prove the plan and schedule it now. Block a default weekly planning time in the owner's diary. Explain the banner's purpose, visible roadmap, and capacity check. Place each objective on the 12 to 18-month banner using 3x3 sticky notes in the target month. Balance load. If a month has over 5 stickies per owner, move, or delegate items. Maintain a consistent color legend for personal, time, team, money, delivery, marketing systems. Decide who will enter 5-year, 3-year, and 1-year goals into Calm today. The client is preferred. Decide who will upload the orbit artifact, 1-year outcomes, 90-day plan. You do have list, I am statements, and vision mission culture baseline if created. Define the first KPI set with owner, formula, data source, and review cadence. Book the weekly KPI meeting and set the KPI submission deadline. Confirm registration for the first available Growth Club. Growth Club is never delayed. Read back the finish date, top outcomes, and next week's action. Ask the owner to state one reason this plan will work for them. Take photos of every whiteboard and save all artifacts to the client folder. The orbit should be complete, photographed, and obvious. The owner can explain the 5-to-1 flow in 2 minutes. Year 1 outcomes are tight and clearly tied to the orbit. The 90-day plan has owners, dates, and success metrics. The weekly action plan has one clear action each week. The 7-day micro-deliverable is scheduled. Vision, mission, and culture are aligned or a baseline is created. Calm entries are assigned today. Growth Club is booked. The owner leaves confident and energized. Orbit is the only place for day 1 numbers. Keep mastery before marketing. If KPIs or delivery slip for 2 weeks, pause growth actions and fix the constraint. Default to 1 clear action per owner per week. Enter Calm within 24 hours. Send the recap email the same day. Avoid too many forms. Use Orbit for numbers, scorecard for constraints, 9 ways for focus. Don't debate perfect numbers. Choose a good first pass. Do not overstuff the 90-day plan. Keep it small and clear. Always assign a KPI owner with formula, source, and cadence. Do not turn up leads if delivery capacity or margins are weak. Subject line, alignment day, your plans, and next steps. Attach the orbit. List your 1 outcomes. Include a link to the 90-day plan with owners and dates. Add a snapshot of the weekly action plan and this week's action. State the 7-day micro-deliverable and due date. Include next steps for Calm entries, the first weekly KPI meeting time, and the Growth Club date. Follow this runbook. Use the tools for their purpose. Keep mastery first. The goal is a business owner who believes in the plan and starts moving this week.